my people, we don't see come more can touch light some more matter for here. Yes, here is Global Gist. We are here to talk of everything. I know for some time I've not really been bringing out all this news because I'll be busy talking about my Biafra. Yes, I want to touch light this matter some more, my people. Now they see this Omomo when it day here, so I don't know this Omomo now don't they do birthday of 1 year, and if I Adeleke Abia they call her. That one to the baby to now still 1 year just till they do birthday so. So make una come tell me, my people. I wanna see her. Because Davido, I not understand the assurance when he did with Shoma. And because Davido fans, I want who answer this question. Davido fans on love Shoma at all. It's like when I love Davido, I not care about Shoma. When I just they do assurance now. Choma be the whose assurance? When Choma did with Davido, they say na Choma be third baby mama. According to this Yoruba woman, when that woman they talk, people know they won't believe her, but most of her words are coming to pass concerning these Davido issues. Yes. They say Shoma get belle how many times he pull her because they say the baby na girls there. When he comes, he say baby na boy, now he can't leave this one. Assurance. Now this baby one that they see for this photo, this video, the baby na celebrate birthday of 1 year old. This one na baby one another girl born for Davido for America obodo Yibo. Now they for born this baby one that they see for years so. So me I not understand the kind assurance when Davido dey for Shoma body. He keep Shoma to keep her for there. I not understand. Just to keep her to himself, then they follow other women, they do baby mamas, they still they go. Maybe if Ifeanyi even senior this one now go. See say Ifeanyi, the Ifeanyi do 1 year birthday now if I'm not making a mistake. See this baby self don't they do 1 year birthday, another baby boy. So I'm not gonna tell me who's kind of assurance with this one when Davido just cage Shoma for there. No marriage, nothing. She just stay there. Just stay there, they grow young, they do breast and everything for Davido. Assurance every night as far Davido is in town. They assurance Davido every night. Kerewa every night. Without marriage, I don't understand the assurance. The assurance that to become baby mama, and be the assurance when they did for Shoma body. My people, I say I want to touch like this matters more because this video just show up. Davido get another baby mama for UK, another fourth baby mama. This one are the fourth pikin. Now una dey see for years another baby mama. Now be this one, my people. How una see this matter? Anyway, I go still dive into another matter when it does still show up again. Now still Davido, baby, we don't see the talk of baby. Another one does still show up. Another girl, so now they see for photos so for this picture. Now Davido with another girl for America, USA. They kiss, they use tongue, they inhale, they use tongue, they touch tongue for here. This one I'm not going to say na fake or not being fake. No, I want it. This one na Davido with another girl for USA. Now this one for just till they happen so. So the assurance when he promised Shoma, Davido fans, like as I first talked earlier, una really love Shoma. If una love Shoma, una no go come dey fight against those when they talk of say what Davido is doing is not good. Because una go call comment session, na go dey insult people. Na Shoma be the assurance. Shoma na be the assurance. We won't celebrate the marriage. We know that Shoma is there. There is a lot of things that she did not like all these things, but she can't talk because she don't involve herself. She involved herself being a baby mama without marriage first. Now she take involve herself. So now she can't cry it out. Crying it out will be like, oh, she don't fall her own hand. Because she's facing a lot of secret pain and secret tears. She not go come tell me and you. But we all know, we know what thing they we know how all these kind of things they be for body. Fourth baby mama. Now another girl. Shoma go say this picture, she never see there. He don't see there. Before me see there, Shoma don't already see there. Another gbege. And they say assurance, she did there. All because she don't want come out from the lifestyle when he don't enter with Davido. She they look and say how she want to start. How she want to start again. Now many people don take they don take put RIP for many women body for domestic violence. This one na be the girl wey be say Davido with am dey use a tongue, dey touch tongue one and dey see for here. So na the girl be this, na American girl. Na be this one. Davido I no just understand. He no dey fit control himself or wetin, no dey fit control himself, or he just wan be father wetin call. All of una wan imitate Solomon. Solomon was the man after God's heart. And how did he end? Do not always look at the beginning of people. Look at the end of people. How did they end that lifestyle that you want to follow? How did they end it? Did they end it well? That should be your question. That should be what the end. You always go and look for the end, not always the beginning. This Davido style, I do not like it. He don't turn Chioma to Chioma don't get body finish. Even though if the breasts they are big, you will see that the breasts they don't fall finish. Yes, all the breasts, all of the dog go there. Even though say they fat for there, you go see am. Chioma, this assurance I not understand, my people. What type of assurance is this? I beg my people. Now this short gist now I bring for now. This I say we go still touch light and for. Yes, father of all nations. You want to become King Solomon, father of all nations. Like I was saying, are you after God's heart? Do not, I will still continue saying, do always not look at the beginning of people, the end. How did Solomon end? Did he end well? That should be what you will look before taking over nonsense. When I want to be father of all nations, born pikin for you, born at your age, Davido, let's be sincere. At your age, can't you choose a responsible life? Build a family with the Chioma. Build a family. Since you use Chioma testing assurance, why not really assure the girl? You are not assuring the girl, but you are doing something outside of the assurance. Chioma not get choice. She don't remain for there. You don't use Chioma Bobby. Use Chioma Bobby. Use Chioma Bobby. If not be package, one of them the package. The Bobby, they don't press the Bobby. Use the Chioma Bobby. Use the Chioma Bobby. Just imagine. Now another girl, now Davido come carry now for America, my people. I know say Davido fans now call you now go the verse say wetin you dey talk? Why you dey talk like that? They don't assure some man, they don't do this. Assure when Chioma get belle, now that Davido supposed to do the right thing. No one go know say yes, he really mean. Now since Davido not do anything at that time, he can't go use COVID-19 till they give excuse. Now I know say this boy does not really, it's not what he said he is. It's not, because it's not demonstrating it at. So my people, I beg, I go work out for here. I bring this small gist, this small tori gossip for una. Make una see what they go on with una Davido assurance with Chioma. Now the new girl now they see by the right for years. So I go work out for you. I greet you now. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I greet you according to your time wherever you are located. All my beautiful and amazing fans, I hope you guys are enjoying yourself on this platform. Keep subscribing, like, share, and comment. God bless you as you do so. Bye bye. See you guys in my next.